Hey everybody, welcome to Wild West Garage. I'm out here in the shop with Harv. There he is, see him? Oh. Hey Harvey. Anyways, wish I could actually talk to him like, for real, but anyways, I'm gonna lose my internet connection out here, so I got a little unboxing to do. I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna say goodbye to Harvey here and show you what I got. Okay, you can probably all guess what this is to a degree. If you've heard of these guys, PrimeWeld, you probably know about the 225X, I think it's called. Yeah, it's the 225X. That's what's in this box. So this welder, and I'm going to tell you right now, these guys aren't paying me anything. I paid full pop for this. And up until recently, there was no Canadian distributor for this product. So I was going to... I'm heading across Canada in a couple months, and we have some friends down in Minnesota. So while we were visiting them, I was going to have the welder shipped to their house, go down, pick it up, and then bring it back with us, of course, right? But look at the size of this box, and we've just got a van conversion that we're going in. So that it would have been a hassle to have this in the van on our way back, because we're going to spend quite a bit of time coming back, right? Couple weeks anyways. So the company in Canada, so I'm just gonna take the packing slip out here. So the company name is Great Western Saw, and they're in here they got some stickers here. Great Western Saw and a PrimeWeld sticker. That's cool. I'll probably put these right on the machine. But anyway, that's where you got to go if you're a Canadian and you want one of these. It ended up costing me, I figured maybe $75 more than it would have cost me to go get it myself, which is for $75. It was well worth it, just to be hassle-free, right? So anyways, yeah, we appreciate your order, Morgan. Thank you, Thomas. Well, thank you, Thomas. I appreciate you guys doing this for us Canadians. So here we go. This is I always thought unboxing videos were kind of weird, and maybe unboxing videos for the sake of unboxing videos are weird, but this is a pivotal moment in my life here, as far as what do you call it, acquiring things goes, acquiring stuff. This is all this stuff here, right? It's so as far as acquiring things go, I've been wanting a TIG welder for many years, and I think it's going to be a huge asset to my shop, not just for the pipe gig, but for everything that I do. Automotive, sheet metal work, aluminum fabrication, and just fabrication in general. I do a lot of fabricating of different things here, my own equipment, my own tools. So this is going to be amazing. And this welding machine, I was just looking at the on the PrimeWeld site, the reviews. I think it's got well over I think it's got 1,062 reviews or something like that. All but 42 or 40 something of them are 5-star reviews, and those 42, there's no less than 4-star reviews on this piece of equipment. And I'm going to tell you right off the rattle, opening this box and seeing the way it's packaged just screams customer service to me. There's the manual right on the top. They want you to read that first, but good luck with that. And just the way the thing's packaged, it's look at that, little corner things. They want it to arrive to you in good condition, and I believe it is. I don't see any issues with the box at all. It's just look, it's just well protected. Like this is going the extra mile for protecting your product. They want you to get it in good shape. There's nothing worse than ordering something and then having it show up at your house all smashed. Okay, it's coming out. There it is. The PrimeWeld 225X. I hope everybody can see this. Watch me drop it now. You know, there've been lots of unboxing videos and reviews on this machine already by a lot more competent, you know, and a lot more savvy welders than I am. Actually, certified welding experts. I'm just I'm a self-taught welder, like many people are. Of course, I watch a lot of welding tutorials on YouTube. A guy that I'd like to meet, actually, who's a local guy here in Canada, and he's actually about an hour away from me. Dustin, Pacific Arc Welding, I think his channel's called. Just let me check that. Anyways, I want to meet that guy. And then Jody from I should have rehearsed this. Welding Tips and Tricks, I think it's called, on YouTube. Jody, I'm just going to look this up. Those are two guys that I enjoy watching their channels a lot. Well, of course, Jody's been around for years, but Dustin, he's just kind of a new guy on the scene, but he's doing very well on YouTube. Pacific Arc TIG welding. That's Dustin, and there's Jody right there. Welding Tips and Tricks. So if you're a welder, if you've ever watched welding videos, you know who Jody is, right? And you're going to know who Dustin is now. So anyways, there it is. You know, I'm excited. I just watched a tutorial on this machine, and I'm going to have to watch it again, of course, because it's all, I don't retain stuff until I actually try it. Once I start putting my hands on this and visualizing, getting it all visualized, that's how I learn. I'm a visual learner. So anyway, I could plug this thing in right now and fire it up right before your eyes. So I might just do that. Why not? Let's get some of the I don't think that's a real safe place to keep that. That only took 8 minutes. I'm going to put this down on the ground just for a sec. And I'm going to find something to put it on. I would imagine this thing's made in China. Could be wrong. I don't know. I don't really care. I just know it's a good product. You know, and that's, you know, there's all kinds of stuff that's made in all kinds of different places. Some of it's good, some of it's bad, right? This is a good machine. I know it's a good machine. I've heard nothing but good about it. This is the, here's another thing that I hear a lot of people talking about. You know, the experts, the guys that know. The torch. The CK Worldwide torch. This is apparently top quality stuff. So for these guys to include this unit here with their machine for the price they're selling it at is pretty impressive, right? I don't know what it would cost you to go and buy this separately, but you know, because of the reputation this product has in the world, I don't think it's going to be one of your cheaper parts, right? Anyways, this is my take on it. Here's the consumables. We've got 3, I guess they call these gas lenses, and a tungsten, and I guess it's the back extension for the torch. Oh, it's an extra one, and just some little bits and pieces that you're going to need to get you know, wear and tear on them, right? And I would assume that this is well, this is a switch. This is a switch that you can attach to the torch. So it's you can set it up to turn the torch on and off in different ways. And this is an adapter for 110 volts, which I'm not going to use because I have 220 in the shop. But that's kind of a, you know, there might be a scenario where I might need this if I'm going to somebody's shop to help them out or whatever, to do a job, and they don't have 220. I could take this with me. I also have my plasma cutter will run off of 110 volts too, so I can use that on that as well. This must be the pedal. They want you to be safe, so they send you the... I've actually used these cheapo welding shields. They work. I mean, they work at a pinch. Let's put it that way. That's something you could probably, you know, throw it behind the seat of your truck or something. And just have it there for just in case, right? You got a little box here or something. Oh, gas regulator. Yeah, those are always handy to have. I've got plenty of them already, but that's nice. Yeah, so you can stick weld with this kind of machine too. So there's a stinger. Don't really need that, but it's there. Looks like it's. I don't really like this kind. I prefer the one that screws off the top and you shove your stick into it. And then it's got, the box has metal corners on the bottom. What's up here with this stuff? Yeah, there's a gas line. I'll just leave that on the machine. Ground clamp. It's nice to have an extra one of those. Yeah, I mean, even like, it's not super heavy duty, but it looks okay. It'll do what I need it to do. for the, you know, for the light stuff anyways, right? Oh, here's the foot pedal. And apparently this is a pretty good foot pedal too. They've upped their game on this. I think originally the foot pedal wasn't so good, but I'm hearing some good things about this foot pedal. So anyways, I am gonna do a little bit of reading in the manual, and I'll get this thing, I'll get it set up, and I'll come back and we'll do some welding. So I'm going to say, right, initial impressions, got the machine running, and the one thing I don't like about it right off the hop is how loud it is. It's got 2 fans in it by the look of it, and it's very loud. So, I mean, it is what it is, right? It's a necessary evil, I suppose. What I like about my big Miller here is the fan only comes on when it needs it. Like when it gets hot, then the fan comes on. That would be a nice feature on this machine, but that runs the price up too, right? So anyways, and then this thing's quite noisy. So it's noisy in a different way though. It's kind of rattly, noisy, but it's an old kind of, it's been around for a while, that one. But okay, so I did light up here. I didn't have the gas turned on. So that was the first arc that this thing has run. I've got it set, I've got the amperage set to 69. For thin stuff, it's like, I think, needs to run between 45 and 75, I think. So I'm just gonna see what happens here. So this is my first go around with this thing. Got the foot pedal. I'm gonna have to come up with something different here so I can get, you know, leaned in here with, you know, get comfortable. This is not going to be comfortable. Comfortable scenario here. I didn't realize I was on the edge. Yeah, it's made a bit of a mess. Okay, so you can't see what I'm doing. Okay, one of the things, I'm a gas welder. I'm an old gas welder, right? And yeah, you can see that. So I have a bad habit when I'm TIG welding of lifting the torch to try to control the heat. So it's not a good thing, right? Like at the end of the, I just ran this here, and at the end of it I pulled back like that. I got to train myself to lift the pedal and leave the torch where it is. I don't really like the way the arc's coming off this thing. Maybe it needs to be pointier. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around a bit. just melted it. This is definitely going to be a big learning curve. I'm going to have to do some playing around for sure. So I think I pulled away there again. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the footage. Let me try welding something together here. If I got this set up properly, I don't know. I don't know. I pulled away again. It's a bad habit. This is going to be interesting. So the arc is very so I can't see. Someone's got my helmet cranked way up. That'll help. Can't see what I'm doing. I think I have any post glow. tungsten has melted back. Well, that's it for tonight. That's what I managed to do here tonight in a few minutes. So anyways, lots of practice coming up here. So anyways, I'm still excited. I know this is a good machine. I just have to practice so I can become a good welder with a TIG machine, that's all. It's been years since I ran one of these things. But anyways, I do feel a little bit humbled. I thought it would be easier. I thought I would pick it up real easy, but it's going to be some work. And one of the things I like about this is it's very calm. It's not like MIG welding's kind of violent, right? It, you know, spatters everywhere. You know, it's noisier. This is very quiet, except for the fan on the machine. But I think it's gonna work for me. Obviously, I can. You know, I did sort of weld something, not really, but. First time, and I think the last time I welded steel with a TIG welder was 15 years ago. Yeah, 15 years ago. So here we go. Thanks for watching. Time to go read the manual. I think that'd be a good idea. And watch some YouTube videos of guys that actually know how to weld. Right?